The 1350 Stepford Connect service to Leighton West has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 7 for the 1351 Stepford Express service to Leighton City. Calling at Leighton Stepford Road and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. The train now standing at Platform 8 is the 1353 Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. Calling at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. Platform 11 for the 1353 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria. Calling at Coxley, Bowden, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East, Stepford Central, City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and
Welcome on board
Victoria.
this Stepford Express service to Stepford Central. We will call at St Helens Bridge and Stepford Central. The next station will be St Helens Bridge. We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Change here for trains to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Central only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train.